old album of ours, and it's called Bitter. And it's about being, realizing that sometimes you're the problem. It's me, hi, I'm the problem. It's me.
Wait, what the fuck? Okay, fuck it. There's no way. Wait, we're here. This is yours.
One in the chamber, two in my heart. I'm falling to pieces before we can start. You say that you love me, well that's not that hard. But trust in myself, why don't we try to lift up ourselves? Instead we just fight, and I put you through hell. I'll try not to be bitter anymore. But what good's it for when you're spiteful and hurting much more than you want? You're wearing my favorite cruise t-shirt as I'm hearing you out. I thought of some words that could sting you. I've forgotten them now. You say you don't wanna hurt me, I can tell by your smile. You always give me advice, you tell me why don't you try to lift up yourself. Instead you just fight, and you put me through hell. And I'm trying to be bitter anymore. But what good's it for? 'Cause I'm spiteful and hurting much more than I worth. Oh, I know, you're tired and you just want a solution. Oh, I'll show my pride when I can see that we're both losing. So I'm not gonna be bitter. No, I'm not gonna be bitter. So why don't we try to lift up ourselves? Instead we just fight, and I put you through hell. I'll try not to be bitter anymore. But what good's it for?